let us will start in continuation of preparations of aldehyde and ketone, aldehydes and ketones. So I think this is the preparation number fifth one is that preparation number fifth, that is from Grignard reagent. Suppose that Grignard reagent, if you can take this one as Grignard reagent or MgX, it is reacted with what? This is what it is reacted with. If you have to, this is the acid halide RC11OX. It is treated with what? RC11OS ester. If it is treated with what? RCN is there. Instead of ester or the acid halide, as well as you can take this RC=OOC=OR. So this is nothing but what? Acid anhydride. This is what acid anhydride. This is what acid halide. So what is the preparation methods here? What is the synthesis of starting using this Grignard reagent? This is nothing but what? Grignard reagent. Alkyl magnesium halide, this is delta negative and Mg having the delta positive. So this what? Alkyl magnesium halide is a Grignard reagent if it is treated with what? If it is treated with acid halide or acetic anhydride in presence of diether as a solvent. So diether is a diethyl ether. You can say this is the diethyl ether as organic solvent and hydrolysis in acidic condition. You can say this is the diethyl ether. We use or not use, this is what diethyl ether as organic solvent in the every reaction. So diethyl ether is a solvent. It is reacted with Grignard reagent, acid halide, ester as well as cyanide. Then the preparation of the compound is nothing but what? RC11OR. We can take this is R group is here. This is the R group is here. So that is formation of what? A ketone. This formation of what? A ketone. It is nothing but formation of the ketone starting from formation of what? Ketone starting from Grignard reagent. So step by step we will discuss the part of this is the Grignard reagent with what? Acid halide, Grignard reagent with what? Cyanide and Grignard reagent with the ester. Suppose if we are having this CS3MgBr is treated with what? CS3C11OCl. If it is treated with what? CS3C11OBr. If it is treated with what? You can say this what? A benzene nucleus is there. C11O and this one is got a bromine atom is here. So what happened here? Benzoyl bromide, acetyl bromide. This is what a benzoyl bromide, acetyl bromide and acetyl chloride. It is reacted with the Grignard reagent in presence of diethyl ether as organic solvent. The reaction condition diethyl ether. This reaction is that contains reaction number first, reaction number second and reaction number third by using the word methyl magnesium bromide. It is in the form of, I am writing this is what a Grignard reagent. It is reacted with acid halide, formation of your nucleophilic substitution, nucleophilic addition. This nucleophile which attack on these types of the carbon atom and loss of the CO. Again the bond is formed and this was loss of the Cl with MgBr. So what happened here? Formation of the types of the product CS3C11OCS3. Again here also formation of what? CS3C11OCS3. Here this benzene nucleus is as it is. Again this formation of the types of the compound is aromatic carbonyl compound. The name of the aromatic carbonyl compound is nothing but what? Acetophenone. It is the name what? Acetophenone. And this is what? Acetyl. What is acetyl? Writing the types of the name of the product acetyl what? This is nothing but what? Acetone or dimethyl ketone. This is what? Acetone or dimethyl ketone. There is formation of acetone or dimethyl ketone or 2-propanone. These are the preparation methods starting from Grignard reagent with acid halide. This is the types of the nucleophilic addition. This nucleophilic addition reaction takes place and formation of what? Carbonyl compound. It may be aliphatic as well as aromatic. So this is one of the preparation methods starting from acid halide. Then second one you can use, this is the second one, this what Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent with what? Grignard reagent with ester. Grignard reagent with ester, and this we can take this one formation of again what diethyl ether as organic solvent. So what happen here? Formation of again what a ketone. So how the preparation method is takes place? If you are having this CH3 MgBr or ester, you can take this CH3 C double bond OCH3. This is one of the reaction. Second reaction we will take this aromatic compound is there, C double bond OET. This is nothing but ethyl group. The third one reaction you can take, this is nothing but what? Ethyl group is here, C double bond O, and this oxygen atom, and this is again what you can take, this is again what? Ethyl group. So what is the name? It is methyl acetate, ethyl benzoate. So the name of this compound is nothing but what? Ethyl what? Ethyl benzoate. This is what? Ethyl. What is the name? Ethyl what? This ethyl group is here. Ethyl what? 1, 2, 3. Ethyl propionate. The name of the compound is ethyl propionate. Ethyl propionate. Methyl acetate. If it is reacted with the Grignard reagent, I am writing this is nothing but +1 here. So this is nothing but CH3 MgBr. Not only CH3, but also we will use, this is a phenyl group also. Cyclopropyl, phenyl, cyclopentyl. Here this R group, you can take this water, you will take this types of the compound is what? This is the pH, this is the water, aromatic nucleus, MgBr. So you can use, this is nothing but water, pH MgBr. तो यहाँ पे हम मेथिल ब्रोमाइड के जगह पे बेंजील फेनिल मैग्नीशियम ब्रोमाइड भी ले सकते हैं. So act as what a Grignard reagent. Here also you use CH3 MgBr, again here CH3 MgBr. यहाँ पे Grignard reagent मेथिल का जगह पे हम दूसरा भी अल्किल ग्रुप यूज कर सकते हैं. So again what? This delta negative, delta positive, this delta negative carbon, delta positive magnesium. Again here nucleophilic addition takes place. Then whatever bond is break. This bond is what? Break. Here nucleophilic addition, OAT last, nucleophilic addition, OAT last, OMe last. In the presence of diethyl ether, in the presence of diethyl ether as a organic solvent. This is the ether, is a organic solvent. So what happen? Formation of types of the product, CH3 as it is, COCH3. This is again CH3C. Here benzene nucleus is there. This is what? Benzene nucleus, C double bond O, CH3. Again formation of acetophenone, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. What is the name? Ethyl. The name of product ethyl, methyl ketone, ethyl methyl ketone. Formation of ethyl methyl ketone, here acetophenone, here dimethyl ketone. So these are the formation of the carbonyl compound, aliphatic as well as aromatic. This is what are one of the preparation methods by using Grignard reagent with ester. Grignard reagent with ester. So the next preparation method, Grignard reagent with again what? Cyanide. Again say cyanide, alkyl or aryl cyanide. So that is what? Using diethyl ether, organic solvent, hydrolysis, acidic condition, formation of ketone is the final product. Here, what is the types of the reaction? When Grignard reagent is reacted with what? Alkyl cyanide. The most important final condition, acidic hydrolysis. If we are having CH3, Cn is there. What is the name? Methyl क्या? Cyanide. Methyl cyanide से दूसरा नाम. So another name what? Ethyl nitrile. यहाँ पे देखो दो कार्बन एटम है. Ethyl nitrile. So the reaction is that if we react with the CH3 MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide, delta negative, delta positive. यहाँ पे देखो कार्बन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है. Attack on these types of carbon. This bond is lost. What happened? Here formation of CH3C. Triple bond is converted into double bond. Here is what CH3. This methyl from Grignard negative MgBr. Again it positive. Here last step hydrolysis acidic condition. Again what this bond break. Water OH here. Formation of CH3. CH3C. Double bond O CH3. What is the product? Acetone. Name of this is what? Pentox. This is what? Propanone. Which propanone? 2-propanone. This is formation of dimethyl कीटोन स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम मेथिल साइनाइड। अब यहाँ पे देखो मेथिल के जगह पे हम कौन सा ग्रुप ले सकते हैं? एथिल ले लो, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? एथिल बनेगा, एथिल साइनाइड। एथिल साइनाइड इट इज आल्सो नोन एज propyl. Propyl what? Propyl nitrile. Propyl. What is the action of the Grignard reagent methyl magnesium bromide on propyl nitrile? So the product is formation of here. It is nothing but what? C2H5O. C2H5O. Again this is nothing but C2H5O. There is formation of types of the product. I am writing as CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. The types of the product is formation of what? Pentanol. This is what? Sorry. 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 2 butanol. The name of the product 2 butanol. Here is formation of 2 butanol, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon. Again third one reaction is that here in what? Alkyl cyanide. Instead of this CH3 you can take this PH, phenyl group. That is nothing but phenyl magnesium bromide. This is what? Grignard reagent. Same reaction condition. Instead of ethyl you can take benzene nucleases here. So final product will be obtained. What is the name? This is what? Acetophenone. कौन मिलेगा? Acetophenone. The most important reaction. Preparation of this acetophenone with what? The action of phenyl magnesium bromide on what? Methyl cyanide. Phenyl magnesium bromide on methyl cyanide or ethyl nitrile. This is the formation of acetophenone. Formation of, I am writing this word, acetophenone. This benzene COCH3. Very simple. यहाँ पे आपको और थोड़ा सा difficult question क्या पूछा जा सकता है? देखो this we can take this word double bond C double bond O CH3. If you have to provide such types of the reactor, and this is what CH3 MgBr. Again, if you are having this sort of types of the compound is there, cyanide is here, double bond is here. So what is the product? CH3 MgBr. यहाँ पे Grignard reagent लिया, डाइथिल ईथर, हाइड्रोलिसिस, एसिडिक कंडीशन. क्या होगा देखो, फर्स्ट स्टेप हम करेंगे. So that is what? Here to the delta negative having conduction. This is what? Here C triple bond here. This is the tendency to attack on this types of the carbon. और ये बॉन्ड आपको ये ऐसा होगा. 1 2 3 कार्बन है, 3 कार्बन यहाँ पे लिखो. ये ट्रिपल बॉन्ड का डबल बॉन्ड बना. ये नेगेटिव MgBr. So that is nothing but MgBr positive. This positive, Mg positive, N negative. आने वाला CH3 ये आया डबल बॉन्ड यहाँ पे. अगेन व्हाट? लास्ट स्टेप हाइड्रोलिसिस एसिडिक कंडीशन. ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा. अगेन दिस इज व्हाट? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. CH3 CH2 here is what? CH double bond C. Here formation of what? CH3 CH2 CH double bond C double bond O. कीटीन बना. कौन बना? कीटीन. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हियर कीटीन. व्हाट अबाउट? फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कीटीन प्रोडक्ट. तो यहाँ पे कौन मिला? कीटीन फॉर्मेशन हुआ. कीटीन KETENE. दिस इज व्हाट? फाइनल प्रोडक्ट. So how it is obtained? This is the double bond is here. The double bond. Here double bond is carries out 1 2 3 4 carbon. 1 2 3. Here the one methyl group is here. So that is nothing but this CH3 is here. Then this become to CH2. Double bond यहाँ से यहाँ पे शिफ्ट हुआ. कार्बन कार्बन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड था, डबल बॉन्ड बना. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव हाइड्रोलिसिस किया. ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक हुआ. ऑक्सीजन एटम यहाँ पे आया. So that is what? Formation of कीटीन प्रोडक्ट. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कीटीन प्रोडक्ट. यहाँ पे कीटोन के पास में ऐसा होगा डबल बॉन्ड. अल्फा बीटा अनसैचुरेटेड कीटोन, इसको क्या कहेंगे? अल्फा बीटा अनसैचुरेटेड साइनाइड इज देयर, अल्फा बीटा अनसैचुरेटेड साइनाइड, अल्फा बीटा अनसैचुरेटेड साइनाइड। ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएक्शन किया, न्यूक्लियोफिलिक अटैक हुआ, कहाँ पे किया? डबल बॉन्ड के ऊपर। क्यों? रेजोनेंस होना चाहिए। क्यों होना चाहिए रेजोनेंस? स्टेबलाइजेशन होता है, जितना ज्यादा रेजोनेंस होगा उतना ज्यादा स्टेबल होगा। तो यहाँ पे पॉसिबिलिटी ये बनेगी आफ्टर रेजोन, यहाँ पे आफ्टर